my name is Rose, and in this video I am going to be showing you the vlog footage that I took of me moving into my new apartment. I also give you guys some organizing tips that I used while I was moving into my new apartment, and if you guys want to see a finished apartment tour when I finish decorating and getting all of the furniture, just leave a comment down below and let me know. I'm gonna take a break from unpacking to go get lunch. Here's the kitchen and the living room. More stuff. Our hallway. The bathroom. And the worst part, our bedroom and closet. We pretty much have everything that's not unpacked over here. And I'm just trying to organize the closet right now somewhere. Okay, so we've been in this apartment for about a week, and I'm going to talk kind of quietly because my husband is still sleeping. But I wanted to show you around how we have unpacked and settled in the apartment now. When you come in the front door, we have this hanging right here, and we just use this to organize like mail we haven't opened yet, and then like put keys and stuff like that there. If you turn this way, you can see the kitchen. So this island is great because it has a lot of storage. This is kind of like our junk drawer, but I tried to organize it. So I have like tools, bottle openers, lighters, stuff like that. And here I have stuff for cooking. And then in here it's pretty empty, but I just have more stuff for cooking. In this lower part of the cabinet, we have all of Arya's stuff, our dog. So like all of her grooming stuff, her food, and her bathing stuff. And then over here, I have all of our like Tupperware and some more baking stuff. I put, by the stove, I put stuff that I use really often to cook. So we have like utensils, spice rack, and knife set. Right above where the oven is, I put like spices and cooking stuff, and then nothing up there and nothing in there because we can't reach it and we don't have that much stuff. Stuff that we use for the oven. And here we have stuff for cooking and like for salads. A lot of the drawers are empty because we don't have that much stuff. More stuff for cooking. Utensils. This is where like the stuff we use most often, like our bowls, plates, and cups, are right here. I tried to pick a spot that was convenient, like close to the sink, but also a big enough space to store everything. And then here we have our coffee pot, but then I also like put all of our coffee cups and stuff we use for coffee right next to it, so it's really convenient. Right above the sink I have like stuff that I use to make the house smell good, but it's kind of empty. Then here we don't currently have any wine, but when we do, it's a very convenient because right here we have some of our wine glasses. We have like our smoothie maker and then a flower vase up there, just stuff we don't use as often. And then below the sink I have I'm still trying to figure out a way to organize this, but we have all of our like cleaning supplies and trash bags and stuff like that. This apartment is so great because it has like a pantry kind of thing, and in here we have cooking books and Jaren's vitamins and supplements in here. And then down here I have some of our pantry stuff. Over here is Jaren's desk, which we're still organizing. We still need to get our stools because the ones from our old apartment were too high. This is our living room right now. We're having a new coffee table come in this week. So our TV stand was really cheap from Amazon, I think, and it broke during the move. So we're using this to keep everything, but we're gonna get like a long kind of modern TV stand, and then you won't be able to see all the cords and stuff. Over here in the corner we have a very sad baskets that are just like sitting here in the corner. I want to get a big mirror and put it here and then have these sitting kind of in front of it. I think we want to hang some kind of decoration and have like a bar cart here or something like that, and then we obviously need to get a fake plant. I can't decide if I want to hang shelves or like a painting up here. I feel like a painting would be more expensive, but I don't know. And I also need to get throw pillows. Coming from the living room, here's like our little pantry where we have like games. I hung up a hook so Jaren could have a spot for his book bag, and then we have like cleaning stuff and trash in here. This is where our washer and dryer is, and then we just have a bunch of storage above it. In our bathroom, I used a little hook above the door to hang towels because we don't really have a linen closet in our bathroom. I used this to keep all of our soaps like up off of the floor, and then we also have a bathtub right here, and I love that it's separate, by the way. Above the toilet we have like a little medicine cabinet, so I got these bins from Target, and I have like medicine and towels, and then we have our two sinks right here. Down here I use to store like shower towels and then like all of our bathroom cleaning stuff. And then down here I keep all of my stuff that I need like to get ready, like my hair stuff, skincare stuff, all that. And in the middle I have Jaren's stuff and my stuff. And then these two drawers are Jaren's storage drawers because he doesn't have that much stuff. In our bedroom we have this little bench in front of our bed, and we have two nightstands, and then I actually have like a built-in desk area where I do my makeup and I edit over here. And up here I have like my passport and like important papers. And then over here I have like every date that Jaren and I have been on, like tickets, like movie tickets, festival tickets, like whatever, you know, stuff like that. And then here I have makeup, and I just pull it out and put it down here when I do my makeup. Right here across from our bed we have like a little TV stand, and I have like electronic stuff in here, and then like my craft stuff. And over here we have decorations that we haven't hung yet. We have like mirrors and I don't know, just stuff that we don't really know what to do with yet. These are Jaren's boxes of electronic stuff, and I have no idea where we're gonna put that. And then we have Arya's kennel over here. She didn't really use it anymore because she's potty trained, but it's there. In here we have our closet. This took me, I think, the longest to organize, but in here I have my shoes and like my pajamas and my underwear and all that kind of stuff. I have more shoes here. These are all of my clothes. I have purses and like hats and umbrellas and stuff, and then I have pants in one. And then up here I have all, like, this is all of our wedding stuff. I have our suitcases, and then here are all of Jaren's shirts. And we have a lot of storage built in, so we have more shoes here. This is where Jaren keeps most of his shoes. And then here he has like his belts and his socks. He has underwear, workout clothes, and pajamas. And then we have like hanging pants over here. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!